Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 4th day on my 12 days with Louis Vuitton, and I have the item here. So the item that I'm going to feature today, it is one of the Louis Vuitton pieces, one of the Louis Vuitton iconic pieces. It is highly sought after. It is one of the items that I find it useful and I could not leave the house without it. So anyway, here's the box. This is the 4th day and the item is, you guys ready? It is a Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire. And this one is made up of this beautiful, lovely, soft, supple, and luxurious empreinte leather. So this one right here, it's in color noir. It's in black. And this particular piece is actually, on the website, they actually call it bicolor. That's because of, because of this beautiful two-tone contrasting color right here, which is the black and the beige color. I was gonna say white, but it is not really white. It's not close. It's more likely on the beige color. And wow, the embossing is actually beautiful. And this monogram flowers, wow, it looks so amazing and it looks so lovely. Just with this monogram right here, it totally highlights the purse, guys. Wow, and on top of that, this one has a gold hardware, which is so lovely, and everything is gold right here. I got the one that's made in France, which is also stamped right there in a gold foil right there. The chain strap, this little chain strap, is also in gold, and you could only remove the other part of it right there. If you can just wear this as a wristlet, you could literally do that just like that. And also, if you just want to leave it hanging, you could also do that as well right there. And if you want to attach a strap like a chain strap from Félicie Pochette, that would work as well. And on the inside, let's take a look at the inside. Okay, the zipper pull right here, it's made up of empreinte leather as well. So it is very soft and supple though. I have been using this a lot. Like I mentioned in my opening of my video, I cannot leave my house without my purse, without this little teeny tiny stuff with me. And also on the inside right there, so when you open it, there is no compartment. And this one has this really soft microfiber lining right there on the inside. Very nice. But this one in particular, the lining right here is actually very thick though. And also I noticed that this particular type of empreinte leather, this particular leather, it is a little bit on, it's not on the flexible side though. Usually empreinte leather is really soft and supple, and then you could just easily like stretch it out. Like when you want to put something inside, it would actually allows you to put more stuff because it's really soft and supple. But this particular piece, it is soft, really soft, but I don't know, for some reason it looks structured though. Maybe because the microfiber inside is thick, which I could literally feel it is thick. And you could just put it right there. It definitely stands on its own. But the regular pochette, mini pochette accessoire wouldn't stand on its own. So let me get my my canvas right here, the canvas version of it. So I have one. This is in a Damier Ebene print. I have, I have the monogram, the classic monogram print. And this is also a classic monogram, but this one is the holiday animation. This is also the holiday animation and another holiday animation. So these are all holiday animation pochettes, and these are my all-time favorite right here. So I have a regular classic monogram, but I have it in my purse at the moment. So that one, I use that a lot. And for some reason, I did make a comparison of these on my previous videos, that the canvas actually fits a lot more than the empreinte. For a lot of reasons though. This one is made up of a really high quality canvas though. I mean, I haven't really cleaned this. I did not even condition this, but look how shiny that is. It does seem to look like it's brand new. I haven't seen any wear and tear on this piece. I got them made in France as well. The interior on this piece is absolutely amazing. Wow, she's beautiful. But with this bicolor right here, it is just plain. But I guess in the next few months, they're gonna come up with a lot of different colors. So this is the regular pochette. If you would just, so yeah, it wouldn't stand on its own because it is not structured right here at the bottom. But this one right here, look at the difference between the two. This one, the empreinte, is more structured compared to the classic monogram, which I do prefer that this one is more structured though. But when I did a comparison on how much this empreinte in a bicolor could fit, I don't know, for some reason you are restricted to put a lot more. It wouldn't stretch much. Maybe because maybe in time this would really soften. But right now I'm actually feeling that this one is actually made up of a really thick empreinte material. Whereas this one, yeah, it is flexible though. But yeah, this one could fit a lot more. So this one could open wider, just like that. And then this one is, yeah. So the other one, the canvas has really big opening though. But I am looking forward to use this all the time, like almost every day. I'm looking forward to do that. So hopefully this would stretch and it could fit a lot more stuff, because I know all the cards that I use and everything fits in here perfectly. Even my phone, actually, the iPhone that I have, the iPhone SE, so that one actually fits in my pochette, on my mini pochette. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. And I don't know, we all guys know that Louis Vuitton has a price increase, and this is one of the pieces that got affected. And right now, this one is priced as $795 US. That's before tax. But it depending on which country you're from or state you're from. And with a paying of for $795 plus tax, that's around $800. And do you think it's worth it? Yeah, I just for $800, I find it a little bit pricey though. It's just like, I was thinking of, like, it's the same thing as the pochette accessoire. It's $1,000. It's like a few $100 more. For if you have $1,300, you would get the Speedy 25, which is a full bag. So it's really up to you guys if that suits your needs. But I use this quite a lot on as a catch-all or something where I could just grab something and I could just run errands. This is just like a perfect pouch for me. So that's why I find a lot of use in this. But the $795 would justify. I have no idea because I know I paid. I got this before the price increase, and even that, it's still pricey though. But then again, this is made up of front leather. It has two-tone color in here, gold hardware and everything. So yeah, so anyway, this is the 4th day in the reveal of my 12 days with Louis Vuitton. I hope that this video would be helpful if you're looking for one that I know. I mean, I think right now, upon checking on the website, this one is still available. So it is not hard to get hands on the mini pochette in a bicolor front leather. It is still available right now as of this moment. I just checked the website, but I am not sure with the others. I'm not sure with this classic monogram right here, and also with the damier ebene print. But yeah, so this is the comparison between the two. Like I don't know, oh, the chain is actually pulling it down, that's why. So this is the comparison of these two together. This one wouldn't stand on its own, but I'm gonna try. So yeah, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the 5th day. Bye.